Mama told me, girl, smoke 'em if you got 'em. Left my letter back at home with all my problems. So I'm sitting here wondering all day long, am I stranded on an island? Or have I landed in paradise? Am I stranded